Welcome back, it's Sarah, or Isa Chu, or Sarah Chung. And today we're just doing a short, sweet, easy hair tutorial. Emphasis on easy because I am not good at hair. I've been loving this flipped hairstyle I see all the time on Instagram. It's so cute. You can wear it with a deep part, you can wear it with a high ponytail, you can wear it just by itself, and it's just instantly makes it look so expensive. So I've been dying to try it out, but also I want to keep my hair relatively healthy. I really only use hot tools on my extensions now and not really so much on my natural hair because I've been trying to grow it out, and I relaxed my hair, bleached my hair, dyed my hair, hennaed my hair. So I've been really trying to grow my hair out healthy again, and that's when this not so little guy comes in handy. This is the tool we'll be using. If you haven't seen this already, it is the Dyson Airwrap, and today's video is in partnership with Dyson. The reason why I decided to work with Dyson is really just because the tool really speaks for itself, and I know this is an investment and it's not for everybody. For me, like personally, I think it's worth it because I've just been using this every single day, and for me it replaces a curling iron, straightener, hair dryer, so I think it's a tool worth investing in. You can curl, wave, smooth, dry without extreme heat, which is perfect if you want to do fun styles but still want to maintain your hair health. I don't think this is necessarily the type of product that kind of shows you its worth after one use, but over time it does add up. When I used to do really extreme like flipped in bobs and like just really crazy hairstyles, I always need to use straighteners, and after I use a straightener I usually have to wait like 2-3 days before I can style my hair again because I just need my hair to recover. I put a lot of conditioner in it just to make it, you know, go back to normal. So this is a wonderful tool for that, and this is designed to use on damp hair. So back then what I would do is I would dry my hair with a blow dryer, and then I use heat tools in my hair, so double the heat, double the time. So yeah, that's a lot of talking, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I use this. So like I said, I start with damp hair. After I step out the shower, I just clip my hair back, I do my makeup, and this is how dry it is. And then I part my hair in the middle. You can part your hair however you want. All of their attachments are removable. So this is their pre-styling dryer, just to make sure your hair is dry enough to start styling. For me personally, I like my hair to be around 60% dry before I start going in with all the other attachments. By the way, I use the highest heat and the highest fan setting. The highest heat this would ever go to is 150 Celsius, which is nowhere near a curling iron or straightener. The technology in the Dyson Airwrap actually measures the temperature in this 40 times in a second, so it always maintains a safe temperature for your hair. Now that my hair is a bit more dry, I'm actually going to use their firm smoothing brush, which has a straightening effect on your hair. So we're going to use this one. Now at this point, you can already go down and then flip your hair up slightly just to get that natural shape. But if you just like simple straight hair for every day, this is also a really great way of doing it. This is after like a minute of using that. Like I said, I'm really bad at doing hair, so I don't know how to do like little sections. The most I would do is just part my hair like this, top half and bottom half. This is the real star. So now I'm going to take off this attachment and use, these are the 1.6-inch barrels. They literally have one for each direction, so it's perfect for curling hair. Usually if you're not doing flipped hair, the way that this works is that you look in the mirror, or in this case my viewfinder, to see which direction this is going to. So this one is pointing that way, meaning that it's curling outward. So if you want an outward curl like that, use this attachment on this side. So it's super easy because you curl your hair in the mirror anyway, so they thought of that. But for the flipped out hairstyle, you actually want the opposite direction, so whichever arrow is pointing inwards is the one you use. And this is the cool part. This is what they call the Coanda Effect. It's basically when the barrel attracts and wraps the hair around the barrel, so it basically grabs the hair itself. You don't have to even like hold it with your hand or anything. Let me show you. I take a piece around this big and then I just turn it on. And you got one little flipped up curl. So what people usually do when they want to do like a whole curl is they let their entire hair strand wrap around the whole barrel, which is really easy. You just like move it up and then it wraps around the whole barrel. But because for this hairstyle you just want the ends to flip up, you just need to hold it right here. Let the hair loop around the barrel just once, and that's all you need. Also, you can cool shot your hair. So basically after you turn this on to curl the hair, you push the button right here to cool down your hair so it sets it. So let me do this with another strand. You see how it wraps it? And you basically just repeat this step. If you want to, you can clip your hair out the way like this, and I'm just gonna do the rest of my hair. Okay, now that this half is done, I'm just going to switch to this barrel instead. and do the exact same thing on the side. Okay, I just repeat that process all over my hair and you basically have the curl. We're obviously gonna brush this out a little bit more, but first you might have noticed that this area seems a little bit flat because this area is so poofy now. So I'm gonna use their volumizing brush. I'm not gonna use this throughout my hair because that's just gonna brush out all these curls. Instead, I'm just gonna focus on the root. The technique here is basically backcombing, but with a volumizing brush. Once it's done, it should look a little bit something like this. I'm just gonna use my rat tail comb and comb out all of my curls. And this is the final look. My favorite way of styling it is 2 snap hair clips. Okay, I just moved a little because the sun is setting. So that is it. I hope you guys found this helpful. I tried to explain everything in detail because this is kind of a newer tool, so I want to make sure y'all really know what I'm doing. But realistically, this takes me about 5 minutes to do. That's why I do it all the time. I watch a lot of Airwrap videos and not a lot of people do this hairstyle with this tool. So I just love that you can get this cute little flip. If you decide to recreate this hairstyle, please tag me so I can see it. And yeah, that is it. The sun is going in and out. Thank y'all so much for watching. If y'all want to learn more about the Airwrap, you can check out Dyson.com. And yeah, I'll see you next week. Bye.